If I look at this problem, it says if cosine of theta is 5/8 and theta is in quadrant 4, find each function value. So they want me to find secant of negative theta. Remember, a chapter ago, we were just drawing triangles, cosine was positive, and you can do adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? And you can find any trig function you want. But here we're using identities. Now, they want us to find secant of negative theta. Put your finger on the identity we'll be using. Show your partner. On the count of 3, we're going to say it. 1, 2, 3. You should have recognized that this is the only time that you have a negative theta. That is the negative angle identity. That means for secant, it's going to be what? Where's the negative sign go now? Nowhere. So what do I write? Secant theta. To go from here to there, that is the negative angle identity. Now I can just, how do I go from secant to cosine? Put your finger on the next identity. What is that, class? Okay, you could use the cofunction identity, but I need to evaluate this, so I'm going to use the reciprocal identity, which is what? 1 over cosine. And now I can just do a substitution. One over 5/8, and I can just turn that sideways. 1 divided by 5 over 8. Class, this turns into, and I take the reciprocal, which is 8 over 5, so my answer is 8/5. The secant of a negative theta equals 8/5. Notice in this problem I use two identities. I use a negative angle identity to go from here to there, and then to go from here to here I used a reciprocal